Hi friends, in this video, we are going to learn how to configure grace time in COSEC. Prerequisites: Matrix COSEC Time and Attendance License. Grace time in COSEC is a time and attendance feature that mentions the extra time up until which a user can enter the organization post the shift start time. However, the user has to work for the grace time availed post the shift end time. Grace time is effective throughout the month for a particular period regardless of the count. For example, for a shift timing 9:00 to 18:00, if the grace time is 30 minutes, the user can come anytime between 9:00 to 9:30 but needs to compensate the extra time taken by him or her between shift start time and grace time period. On day 1, user comes at 9:15, that is 15 minutes late from the shift start time, and leaves the office at 18:15, compensating the 15 minutes. System marks him present for both first and second half. On day 2, user comes at 9:30, that is 30 minutes late from the shift start time, and leaves the office at 18:29, compensating only 29 minutes rather than required 30 minutes. System marks him present for first half and absent for second half due to less working hours. Let us start with the grace time configuration. To configure grace time details, go to Shifts and Schedules module, followed by Shift Configuration, followed by Grace Time Details. Include grace time in working hours option will include grace time in allotted working hours. For example, for a shift timing 9:00 to 18:00, if the grace time is 20 minutes and include grace time in working hours option is checked, the user can come to office anytime between 9:00 to 9:20. The user will be required to compensate the extra time taken between shift start time and grace time. On day 1, user comes at 9:20, that is 20 minutes late from the shift start time, and leaves the office at 18:00, not compensating the 20 minutes. The system still marks him present for both first and second half. Grace time for shift late in option will specify the grace time in minutes for punching in at the start of shift. Overlap grace time with shift late in option includes the grace time with shifts late in time. For example, for a shift timing 9:00 to 18:00, grace time allowed is 10 minutes and user comes in at 9:15. Then, in the event of this box being unchecked, the user will be marked as 5 minutes late in. When overlap grace time with shift late in is checked and user comes at 9:15, the system will mark 15 minutes late in. Grace time for shift early out option will specify the grace time in minutes for punching out at end of shift. Overlap grace time to shift early out option includes grace time with shifts early out time. For example, for a shift timing 9:00 to 18:00, grace time allowed is 10 minutes and user leaves the office at 17:45. Then, in the event of this box being unchecked, the user will be marked as 5 minutes early out. When overlap grace time to shift early out is checked and user leaves the office at 17:45, the system will mark 15 minutes early out. Grace time in break late in and break early out will work similar to grace time in shift late in and shift early out, except the change that it is applicable to break in and out time instead of shift start and end time. This completes the working of grace time in COSEC. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, please contact Matrix Technical Support Team.